In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp AI. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find it and how to get helpful results, whether you're planning projects, writing content, or clarifying tasks. First, head to the ClickUp website in a modern browser and open your workspace. When the app loads, take a moment to orient yourself. Your sidebar on the left is your main navigation, with spaces, tasks, docs, and other tools. ClickUp AI lives right in that sidebar, so you don't need any separate app or complicated setup. If your company already has access, you'll see it there. If not, you may need an admin to enable it, but for many accounts, it's available out of the box. Next, look down the left sidebar for the option labeled AI. Click it to open the AI panel or chat area. This is your workspace for asking questions, generating content, and getting instant assistance. Think of it as a writing partner and productivity coach built into ClickUp. You'll usually see a text box at the bottom and a larger area where responses will appear. If the panel opens in a small view, that's fine. You can still work comfortably there. The AI respects the context you provide in your prompts, so the clearer you are, the better the results tend to be. Now, type a prompt to ask AI for what you need. Use natural language like you're talking to a helpful teammate. Include the goal, who it's for, and any constraints that matter. For example, you could draft a 2-paragraph project kickoff summary for a cross-functional team, friendly tone, highlight timeline and milestones. Or summarize the key points from this meeting note into action items with owners and due dates. If you're working on tasks, try. Turn these rough notes into a checklist and a concise description under 120 words. When you want a specific style, say so. Formal, concise, persuasive, or technical. If you have source text, paste it beneath your request and clearly label it so the AI knows what to use. You can also ask for structure, like numbered steps, a short overview followed by details, or a final takeaway. If the first draft isn't quite right, refine your prompt by adding what was missing, such as the target audience, desired length, or examples to emulate. That's it. Go to ClickUp, open AI in the left sidebar, and type a clear, contextual prompt. With a bit of guidance, ClickUp AI can save you time on planning, writing, and summarizing right where you already work.